Do vehicle safety inspection laws also apply to motorcycles? Have you ever wondered if the laws that keep cars safe on the road also apply to motorcycles? Well, the answer is yes, but the specifics can vary quite a bit depending on where you live. In many states, motorcycles are required to undergo safety inspections just like cars. However, some states have different rules or may have limited inspection criteria specifically for motorcycles. When it comes to motorcycle safety inspections, the focus is on ensuring that essential components are functioning properly. This is crucial for maintaining road safety and rider protection. Common areas that are checked during these inspections include brakes, lights such as headlights and brake lights, mirrors, tires and wheels, the exhaust system, the fuel system, the horn, the steering mechanism, and suspension components. In some regions, emissions testing is also required for motorcycles, especially in certain counties. Several states have made it mandatory to have annual motorcycle safety inspections. This means that once a motorcycle passes inspection, it must display an inspection sticker. States like Hawaii, Louisiana, Massachusetts, New York, Pennsylvania, and Virginia are examples where annual inspections are required. Each of these states has its own rules regarding how long the inspection is valid and how the sticker should be displayed. On the other hand, some states may provide exemptions for older motorcycles or may have different intervals for inspections. This means that if you own an older model, you might not need to go through the same inspection process as newer motorcycles. From the perspective of auto insurance, these inspections play an important role. They help ensure that motorcycles on the road meet safety standards, which can reduce the risk of accidents and claims related to mechanical failures. Insurance companies may take a motorcycle's inspection status into account when they are underwriting policies or processing claims. A motorcycle that has been properly inspected and maintained is less likely to be involved in incidents caused by mechanical defects. So, while vehicle safety inspection laws do indeed apply to motorcycles, the details can differ from state to state. It is essential for motorcyclists to be aware of their specific state's inspection requirements. This not only helps them stay compliant with the law but also ensures they maintain eligibility for coverage under their insurance policies. Regular inspections contribute to safer riding conditions, benefiting both riders and insurance providers alike.